ladies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Simone, and as y'all can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a monthly reset video. I think that's what it's called. So today is August 1st and it's a new month, so it's time for me to get my life together, get my life in order, and just get things done. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me today. I'm having a really productive day and just really trying to start my month out the right way, y'all. This is the best month of the year because it's Leo season and it's my birthday month. Ew. As always, I'm going to be starting this video with a little cleaning. I'm just going to be straightening my room up. Thankfully, my room is not really that dirty today. I really just need to make my bed and then do some laundry. Y'all know I always have clean laundry just sitting in my chair that I just be procrastinating putting up. Yeah, so I have clothes that need to be folded and like put on hangers and put away, and I just kind of need to straighten my room up before I really start getting into like my to-do list, because I can't be productive in a dirty environment. So we're gonna start with cleaning my room, and then I got a brand new dry erase board. Let me show it to y'all real quick. But boom, this is my new board, y'all. It's so nice, it's so fancy, it's definitely an upgrade. Like, it's way bigger than my last one, so I'm gonna fill this out today. This side only has like the week, so I'm just gonna fill out like everything I want to do this week, starting with today. And then this side is a chalk side. This side I'm just gonna put like things I just need to keep in mind throughout the month, I believe, like just kind of some reminders, things I need to get done, kind of like things I want to focus on this month, if that makes sense. We are gonna have to run to the store, probably Dollar General, because I do need to get some chalk for this side, and I want to get some new dry erase boards as well. I have not dry erase boards, dry erase markers. I have these ones, but I just kind of want some like bigger, better quality ones because I have a bigger and better board now. So yeah, so we're gonna fill that out, and then oh y'all, I'm out of breath. Jesus, I need to breathe. Yeah, so we're gonna fill that out, and then I'm also just gonna like knock off some things on my to-do list that I need to do today. Can't really remember exactly what everything is, but there's a few things I need to do. I'm going on a little birthday weekend trip this month, so I have some like reservations I need to make for that. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give y'all a rundown of what we're going to be doing, and yeah, let's just get into it. I got diamonds proving just slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wonder around when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. Go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let them close? Feel my baby, you selling action. These days, no Kumaye. Niggas be plastic. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. This life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. No second chances. So I just got done cleaning my room. As y'all saw, my room is looking really good now, y'all. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, so my room is clean now. Next thing I'm gonna do, so as I mentioned earlier, I'm going on a birthday trip in literally a week. My birthday is August 10th, so I need to kind of start like planning my outfits because I only have a week and there's still stuff that I don't have or that I need to figure out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in my closet and I'm going to go ahead and start like planning what I'm going to be wearing. so that I can know like what I need, if that makes sense. Like if I plan an outfit and it's like, okay, this is really good, but I don't have any shoes to go with it, like I can go ahead and know that, and I can go ahead and like order shoes today. So that's what we're about to do next. And then after that, I'm gonna go, we're gonna go to the store and get markers for the dry erase board. But I just need to go ahead and like plan these outfits out real quick. So yeah.
All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you.
Hey besties, so I'm done planning my outfits for my birthday, and now we're on the way to the store because like I had told y'all earlier, I need to get some dry erase markers and some chalk for my new board. So that's what we're about to do now, so I can go ahead and just like plan my week out and lightly plan my month. I'm so excited for my birthday trip. It's kind of last minute, so I really don't even know if I'm gonna order any clothes at all. I pretty much have all the outfits though. I think what I mostly need is shoes, y'all. I need new shoes so bad. But I don't think I'm gonna order anything. I think I'm just gonna go shopping around here probably and just find some shoes to go with my different outfits. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited for my birthday. The vlog is gonna be lit, okay? Like I can't wait. I'm gonna have a vlog for y'all for like each day of the trip. So let me stop playing. But y'all, I got this childish LOL chalk. This is all they had, okay? They didn't have no like just regular boxes of chalk. They only had like LOL Doll, Monsters High, Paw Patrol, things of that nature. So I just had to go with what I can get. Oh, trying to open it. Now, why this chalk was $8, I don't know. Definitely a bit much. But this was the only one that had like the pointy tip. I didn't want to get the one that was like too fat because it was going to make my words ugly. And it's probably already going to be a little ugly because I'm not that artistic. So I don't need it to be like ugly and fat. Oh, not a little tracer thing. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time. Waste your time. I mean, honestly. Once I got done planning out my week on my dry erase board and then setting some monthly goals and intentions on the chalk side of the board, I really just sat down and started completing some things off my to-do list. I made some dinner reservations for my birthday, kind of completed like my itinerary and just checked off other things I needed to get done. I really enjoyed this reset routine, y'all. It made me feel a lot more intentional and just a lot more organized for the upcoming month. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and coming along with me, and I hope you come next time. Love you guys. Bye, besties.